Hey there, car owners, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today, we're looking into essential car maintenance tips that every vehicle owner should follow. These aren't just suggestions, they're crucial practices that can significantly extend your car's life and save you from costly repairs down the line. Before we get started, if you find this information valuable, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Your support helps me continue providing honest, straightforward automotive advice. Let's begin with one of the most fundamental aspects of car care: oil and filter changes. While some modern vehicles boast extended oil change intervals, I recommend erring on the side of caution, especially for older cars or those driven in harsh conditions. Aim for oil and filter changes every 5,000 miles or less. This simple practice goes a long way in maintaining proper engine lubrication, reducing wear and tear, and removing harmful impurities. Next up, let's talk about fuel injector maintenance. To keep your engine running efficiently, it's wise to use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 10,000 to 20,000 miles. This helps break down deposits that accumulate over time, ensuring better fuel economy and overall performance. Now let's address a somewhat controversial topic: transmission fluid changes. Despite some manufacturers labeling their transmission fluid as lifetime, it's crucial to replace it at recommended intervals. For most automatic transmissions, this range falls between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. However, if you have a continuously variable transmission, CVT, you'll want to replace the fluid more frequently, every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. For those with dual clutch transmissions, DCT, aim for fluid changes every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Tire maintenance is another critical aspect of vehicle care. I recommend checking your tire pressure at least once a month or before any long trip. Proper inflation isn't just about preventing premature wear. It also reduces the risk of blowouts and can improve your fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance. Also, it's important to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure your tires last longer and wear out evenly. For those of you with hydraulic power steering, don't neglect that system. Check the fluid level regularly. It should be red and typically needs replacement every 70,000 to 90,000 miles. Ignoring this maintenance item can lead to harder steering or even damage to the hydraulic pump. Brake fluid is another often overlooked maintenance item. Ensure that your brake fluid is at the correct level and replace it every 2 to 3 years. This fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it attracts moisture over time, which can lead to brake system corrosion and reduced effectiveness. Coolant maintenance is crucial for your engine's health. Regularly check the coolant level and top it up if it's below the minimum mark. When possible, use extended life coolant. Some varieties can last up to 180,000 miles before needing a flush. Don't forget about your air filter. A clean air filter is essential for maintaining proper airflow to the engine, which directly impacts its efficiency. Typically, it's advisable to change the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, though this may vary based on your driving conditions. Battery maintenance is another key area. As your battery ages, it's important to check for corrosion on the terminals and clean them as needed. Most car batteries need replacement every 4 to 5 years, but it's wise to have them checked annually after the 3rd year. Lastly, let's touch on spark plugs and ignition coils. These components play a crucial role in your engine's operation. Depending on the type, spark plugs typically last 30,000 to 100,000 miles, and ignition coils last a lot longer. I understand that keeping track of all these maintenance items can seem daunting. However, each one plays a vital role in your vehicle's overall health and longevity. Neglecting even one area can lead to a domino effect of issues down the line. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.